Anybody can code today. Anybody can deploy apps. Anybody can create agents. And it's all because of this. Turn natural language into code. That's what Replit is, and it's amazing. You write the prompt, and it spits out the app. It's not that fast though, but still. It's just like asking ChatGPT to give you 5 inspiring quotes, and of course it's gonna spit it out, right? Google for this, if you haven't heard about it. Replit. It's gonna be the first result. It is over at replit.com. And you will see that, first of all, this runs inside of your browser. You don't even have to download anything, and it allows you to build and deploy great tools and apps in minutes. All right, now the benefit of living in the browser, or being cloud native, is that there's no configuration at all, no setup at all, and you don't have to have any kind of experience with coding. You don't have to be a programmer, and you can still maybe make money with this one. Maybe make an app for yourself just out of fun. First of all, you start a conversation with it, and it asks you, what do you want to do? What do you want to build? You can install Python in a single line, and even if you've never built or deployed an application before, these AI features that Replit has now can help take you from idea to software, even with minimal coding background. That's what Replit is. Now let's go see what it does. First of all, I found some examples on X or Twitter, however you want to call it. This person is a doctor. It's Omar Salim. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So this person, as you can see, used Replit Agent to build a custom health dashboard for my real patient. So this person is a doctor, right? He doesn't know anything about coding, and he managed to create an app for his patient. That's how powerful this is. And before all of you just start writing in the comments that I'm affiliating for them, no, you will not find any links down there. I use this, and it's just great. To be honest, with all these AI tools that make videos, that make images, this is by far one of my favorite things, and for this reason, I just love AI. The next person, as you can see, he says you should really stop using Zapier or Make because, for example, I created an automation that merges all the PDFs in a folder on Drive into a single file. So this person found another use case. First of all, what I recommend, just Google for Replit Agent like this and go to this blog here, Introducing Replit Agent it's called. You're going to land here. And then I recommend just watching a few videos and just reading through all of this. It's not so long and it explains you what this tool does. And then when you create yourself an account, this is what you're going to get. This is your dashboard. This is the browser, right? It's my Mozilla. It's not like any kind of software. As you can see, I'm logged in, and I use the free version of it. Because with the free version, as you can see here, it's a starter plan, you can deploy 3 public projects, all right? So 3 public projects, which you can maybe sell before you even consider going over to Replit Core, which is $10 per month. Now let's go and see what it does. Let's just use the default example here that they give us. So, for example, you've got waitlist website. For example, I want to build a waitlist site for my startup, which collects emails and full names from users. This can be also good if you have a subscriber list, or if you have an email, or if you have a newsletter or whatever, and you just want to collect emails, right? Make the design of the site modern and professional. Use a database on Replit to store the registrations. And all you have to do now is to click on Start Building. What is good about this is that you don't have to be good with prompts as well, because it'll ask you questions, follow-up questions all the time. And you just go step by step, answer these questions. This Replit agent, it knows what to ask, because when you give it the first prompt, such as this one from this example, it'll know what kind of thing you want, whether it's going to be a website or an app, and it'll handle everything on the back end for you. It'll just ask you, what do you want? And these follow-up questions remove the necessity of you to be good with the prompts, right? With the image generation things and the AI video stuff, you have to really practice prompt engineering, right? I hate that. But with this, you don't have to. It'll ask you a lot of questions and you just have to answer. In this video, this person explains how you can create the landmark map. And you can't use it right now, but it'll soon become available for you because this is the limited version now. And this person explains, this is an employee of Replit, and they explain how to create a local landmark app. And you know what's the best part about this one? You can do it from phone, right? That's just crazy. Okay, so now let's see how you can make money with it. First of all, I saw a lot of people there who just want to build you apps for $100, for $600. As you can see, I will build AI agent for your business. This person already has 12 of these sales, so you can just imagine how much money this person has been making. So I will build AI agent for your business. And there's not so many people that are doing it and being successful with it. Well, the reason is it takes a lot of time to deploy these apps. But now, if you are one of the first people there on Fiverr to do this for a lesser price, and you can do it essentially doing nothing, just chatting with the AI on Replit, well, go figure. And you know what's the best thing about this one? You can always upsell the service because these things will always need to be updated. For example, you build, I don't know, health app, just like that Omar guy. You build it for someone, they pay you the money for it, and then later on, they just want another feature on top of it, and the next month, they just want some more features. They just want to update the app, to give it, to be better, right? Well, you can always upsell those, and you can always charge more and more. And just have a look at this person. They're building basic AI chatbots, right? And the standard version, as you can see, it's $500 for a smart AI application. Or the basic chatbot, which Replit will make you in 10 minutes, well, they charge $90 for it. I honestly think that this is really good opportunity for you there. Nowadays, even your local bakery wants to have something automated. They want chatbots. They want something responsive. They want customer support. Every company around you. That's why I always recommend people to go inside of your local area, right? Just go for a walk. See what companies are around you, little businesses. They all need social presence nowadays, and they all want these automation things nowadays, such as chatbots, different forms of generators, and of course, different forms of automation, right? They save time that way. And of course, they save money. Now, until this becomes available for everyone, I suggest going and just reading through this blog about Replit Agent. Google for it, see what people say about it. As you can see, the Replit Agent's currently available through a limited early access program. And you may encounter occasional errors or unexpected behavior because this is like a beta or something. But I really think that you should use your time to be one of the first people to know how to use it, right? It's not complicated, but you should practice, just to be ahead of the game. And of course, if you're one of the first people there, you can first start to sell your services. And you've got full tutorial here, right? So full tutorial. Don't fall into a trap to go along and pay for some course out there for coding or Replit course, right? I'm sure there are going to be a lot of people that are going to try to sell you some kind of a course, but just think about it. These are all new things, and there's no way that somebody can become an expert that fast in order for him or her to sell us some kind of a course on it, right? So yeah, all the information is out there. Read the blog, read the website, and stay updated. It's a good thing. If you're one of the first people, you can get some easy money with it. Of course, don't expect it to happen overnight, but still, it's a good opportunity. If you want to work on it, go ahead, read the blog. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.